Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and today I'm going to make an avocado and egg salad. Now this makes a great fresh and filling lunch. And if you use lettuce as a wrap, then you have a wonderful low carb meal. Now I love avocado and I love avocado toast, so this is just a winner for me. And it only uses just a few ingredients. So let me go over those ingredients with you and show you just how easy this is to make. So you will need 3 hard-boiled eggs and 1 large avocado. You'll need the juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and then I have 1 tablespoon of diced green onion, and then you'll just need some salt and pepper. I am just going to mash up the egg using a fork. I like just to take a spoon and scoop that avocado out. Look how easy that came out. And I'm just going to cut the avocado into pieces. And then I'm going to add it to my egg. All right. Now I'm going to juice this lime, and this will just keep that avocado from turning brown. Now I'm just going to mix this up. Add my mayonnaise. And my green onion. And I'm also going to add a couple pinches of salt and black pepper. I'm just going to mix all this up. I mean, this is super easy. Oh yeah. The avocado is so creamy and it goes so well with the egg. Yeah, it's good. It's delicious. And this is also great to make ahead, put into a small container. You want to make sure that it's a airtight container. And there you go. You've got lunch for a few days. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.